Welcome back to the channel, guys. Ian from KI Fishing. This morning, Cyrus and me went out trout fishing. We caught some brownies. We brought them back to the house. Him and Christian ate them up. But now it's bass time. Took a little nap, recharge, and now we're back at it. And I got Christian with me.
Hello.
We're gonna go out on the pond and see how these bass are doing in the early pre-spawn and see what's going on, see if they're hungry and ready to go. So I'll see you out on the water.
On the water, got a little breeze coming in. Fine by me. Bust
Remember
up.
last video I had a different reel? That was because this whack in my old reel broke. So and yeah.
Alright, so we're out on the water and we got some breeze going. So we're just gonna let it take us down the edge of the pond. We're just gonna hit the wind blown side and the sunny side. See if we can get something going here.
Okay, I'm feeling my slack. Oh, yep, something.
The worm is literally right there behind you, on the top of the water.
Where?
Right now it's under the boat.
Why is it dragging through the floor?
Like paddles.
Yeah.
What? I'll tell you when I get one. Got one.
Got two?
Yep. Oh, there we go, guys. Chris, watch out. Big one.
No, Ian.
What?
I'm single. That was good. Holy crap!
Double penetration, guys. Oh yeah, big old head. Fought like a champ.
Woo!
Woo! Winning.
Is it alive?
Yeah, it's alive. Woo! He's pissed off, ready to go. Boom!
Kick him off!
Alright, so that finally kicked in because there's a drop-off point. You can see where it's shallow and it comes down. And he's just sitting there on the very edge of the drop-off. He came up and smoked it. That was a pretty good fight for that one too. That was awesome. Oh, here we go. Back-to-back cast. And another one. Starting to hit now. All right. Okay. Just don't hook me, please. There you go. And another one, Christian. Cast that way. They're coming in hot now. Back to back. Going back to back. There we go. And another one. Ah, caught my cord.
What cord? Woo! Can I pet him?
Yeah, let me take the hook out of him.
I want to kiss him.
You want to kiss him?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Ooh. You know you need to hand me the fish.
Brah, you know I need to take the fish off the hook. Nice little guy, little buck bass. Here. Come on, grab him. Well, that's just. There you go. There you go. Good job.
Oh, gross.
Yeah, I bet.
So there you have it, guys. There was our time out on the water. Like I said earlier, we were catching on that Googan squarebill. From when it dropped from shallow to deep on that little hump right there where it goes down, that's where they were all just hanging out waiting to get warmer to move up, but they're still sitting there in the deeper water, and we were just smacking them. Those three were pretty much back to back. Like the first two were literally back to back, and then the third one was like 3 or 4 casts later. Just in a different spot, but same concept, going from shallow to deep, hanging out right there. I want to play you another clip from the next day when I went out trout fishing with my buddy of mine. I'm thinking about adding him more in some more videos. The dude's hilarious. You know, let me know what you guys think. We'll play some clips of him. He's a little special, but put down in the comments. Let me know if you want some more of him or if we should just trash him. All right, so here you go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Ian from KI Fishing. I got the biggest scumbag I know. Woo! Fucking Kevin. I'm ready.
He got his beers ready to go, his Natter Days, his bush lattes, and we're about to get on some brownies. Kevin's gonna cross.
Oh shit! No, man! Don't pull over the top, don't pull. Where am I zigzagging?
Right through here. Look shallower.
If I fall, I'll be so f***ing mad.
Just keep your boots close to the ground. Don't pick them up too high.
Ooh, it's getting a little high there! Shit! Oh yeah, that's real low. Ooh!
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. Yeah. Yeah.
I just want to take a second and ask you about your rig, though.
This is a Shakespeare Steel 220 with this crazy little minnow thing here. You got sand it. Get all them fucking mud.
I can edit it out.
So yeah, that's Kevin. So he really is getting into fishing this year, or last year he started getting into when he was mowing lawns at golf course ponds, catching them on a scum frog. You know, with that same rig, mind you. He was catching like 2-3 pounders on that same exact fishing pole. Yeah. So shout out to him. You know, he's a good dude. He's hilarious, and he likes to party hard. So yeah, like I said earlier, let me know if you want more videos or if we should just get rid of them. But I think it'd be good content if we bring him in a couple videos here and there. So until next time, guys, get out there and set that hook and smash that like button. And please, guys, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Oh, and real quick, that surprise, it's coming. It's already here. I'll probably put it on the face. I'm trying to debate if I should put it on Facebook first or make a video about it, but it is here. So stay tuned, and it's gonna be awesome.